Student, today we take Mathematics Part 1st Standard 10. In second chapter, Quadratic Equation. See students, in the last year you have studied polynomials and you know the types of polynomials according to their degree. When degree of polynomial is 1, it is called as linear polynomial. Okay, and if degree of a polynomial is 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial. See the activity. Classify the following polynomials as linear and quadratic. There are some polynomials: 5x plus 9, x square plus thrice x minus 5, 3x minus 7, 3x square minus 5x and 5x square, and we have to search which polynomials are linear polynomial and which are quadratic one. Understand? Now see, in the first polynomial 5x plus 9, here the degree of polynomial is 1, therefore it is called as linear polynomial. Understand? In second, x square plus thrice x minus 5. Here the degree of polynomial is 2, therefore it is quadratic polynomials. Understand? See here, we can write here x square plus thrice x minus 5. The next one is thrice x minus 7. Again, here the degree of polynomial is 1, therefore it is a type of linear polynomial. We can write thrice x minus 7. Okay. In fourth one, thrice x square minus 5x. Here the degree of polynomial is 2, therefore it is type of quadratic polynomial. And the last one is 5x square. Again, the degree of polynomial is 2, therefore it is an quadratic polynomial. Understand? Students, let us see the standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay? See, the equation involving only one variable having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called quadratic equation. Means the equation involving only one variable, that means only x, only y or any type of variable, but it is remember that the maximum power of the variable is only 2, then that type of equation they are called as quadratic equation. Understand? Now see, the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c, these are real number and a is not equal to 0. Now real number. Real number means what? If you draw here a number line, okay, here we can write down 0. In the right side of 0, all the numbers they having positive sign, and at left side of 0, all the numbers including negative sign. Understand? These all numbers plotted on the number line, they are real number. That means a, b, c are real number and value of a is not equal to 0. म्हणजे एच्या व्यतिरिक्त एची व्हॅल्यू 0च्या व्यतिरिक्त कोणतीही चालू शकेल. अंडरस्टँड? नाउ सी द ॲक्टिव्हिटी. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. ओके, सी हियर quadratic equation, its general form and value of a, b and c they are written. The first one is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now general form of this quadratic equation is x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0, because we are right here the index form of the quadratic equation. See, 2 here the index of this variable is 2, here the index of the variable is 1, and here the index of the constant term 4 is 0. Understand? That means the general form is x square plus twice 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now the value of a is, see here the coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore value of a is 1. Value of b is 0. See the coefficient of x is 0. Therefore b is equal to 0. And the constant term is minus 4. Therefore we can write here minus 4. Understand? The second quadratic equation is y square is equal to twice y minus 7. See, this equation is write down in the general form. When this 2y which is at the right side of equal to sign, it goes towards left side, then its sign is change. Okay, that means here it becomes minus 2y. Understand? When this minus 7 it goes towards the left side of equal to sign, its sign is also change. At left side the sign of 7 is minus, but when it goes towards the left side of equal to sign, then this minus 7 they becomes plus 7. Understand? And we can write here y square as it is minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, now a is equal to, again the coefficient of y square is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and the constant term c is equal to 7. Understand? Now see the third quadratic equation, x square plus twice x is equal to 0. Okay, now the general form of this equation is, here we can write x square plus twice x. Here the constant term c is not given, therefore we take this constant term c as 0. Okay, that means x square plus twice x plus 0 is equal to 0. Now the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 2, and the constant term is 0. Understand, student? Now see, the practice set 2.1 is based on the standard form of the quadratic equation, and also we have to search value of a, b and c. See, in practice set 2.1, question number 2, decide which of the equations are quadratic equation. Okay, now see the first one. Example is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, see here degree of x is equal to 2. Here the degree of x is equal to 1. Now which is highest degree of this variable? See, the highest degree is 2. Therefore this equation is a quadratic equation. Understand? Now see the second example. In first bracket m plus 2 and in second bracket m minus 5 is equal to 0. That means here there should be multiplication of two tables. Okay, now here we can write the first term m, which is multiply the whole second bracket, that means m minus 5. Again write down the second term of the first bracket, that is plus 2, and here the second bracket is m minus 5 is equal to 0. Now see, m into m, m square, m into minus 5, minus 5m, plus 2 into m, plus 2m, plus minus, its multiplication is minus, and 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now here we can write m square. Now see, minus 5m plus 2m, minus plus becomes minus, that means 5 minus 2, 3. Minus 5m plus 2m, it's become minus 3m. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, see here, the maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore again it is a quadratic equation. Understand? See, the next example is y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. See here, y is in the denominator form. Okay, and we have to eliminate this y. Therefore multiply each term by y. We can write here y square into y plus the second term is 1 upon y, which is again multiplied by y, is equal to 2 into y. Y cancel. Okay, here y square into y is equal to y cube plus here 1 is remains is equal to twice y. Therefore we can write here y cube, this plus y plus 2y, when goes towards left side it becomes minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, but see, the maximum index power of the variable is equal to what? 3. Okay, therefore it is not the quadratic equation. Understand, student? Let us discuss question number 3. Write down the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we have to find out the value of a, b and c. Okay, see here, the first example, twice y is equal to 10 minus y square. See, these all terms, they are transferred towards, or they are transferred to the left side of equal to sign. Therefore all the signs of these terms, they should be changed. Here we can write first y square. Okay, this minus y square, when goes towards left side it becomes plus y square. Then we take plus twice y. This 10 having plus sign, but it should be changed when it goes towards the left side. It become minus 10 is equal to 0. Understand? This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Which is standard form here? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See student, some students think that here in the standard form the sign is plus. Okay, and here the sign of 10 is minus. But see students, we get y square plus twice y. Okay, and the last constant term is minus 10. Here plus c. C is the constant term. See here we can write plus. What is the value of constant term? Minus 10 is equal to 0. Now solve this bracket. Y square plus twice y plus minus, it becomes minus 10 is equal to 0. Understand? That means here the sign is plus and here the sign is minus. How this minus sign is come? Understand? Okay, see. Now we have to find out value of a, b and c. See here, a is equal to, the coefficient of y square is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 1. The coefficient of y is equal to b. And here the constant term is minus 10. Therefore c is equal to minus 10. Understand? Now see the second example. P in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. See here, p is out of bracket. Therefore this p is multiplying each term in the bracket. First one p into 3. Okay, या p ने कशाला मल्टिप्लाय केले तर 3 ला, प्लस अगेन p into 6p. p into 6p is equal to minus 5. p into 3 thrice p plus 6 p into p p square is equal to minus 5. Okay, now see, we have to write down in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means here we have to write down first 6p square plus thrice p. Now see, this is minus 5. When this minus 5 it goes towards the left side of equal to sign, then its sign should be changed. Okay, that means minus 5 it becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Understand? We get the quadratic equation 6p square plus thrice p plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out value of a, b and c. A is equal to 6, b is equal to 3 and c, that means the constant term is 5. Understand? Now see the last example we take on. X minus 1 bracket square is equal to twice x plus 3. See students, we are very well known the expanded form of a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, by using this expansion form we have to solve first this bracket. Understand? Suppose x is for a, okay, and this minus 1 is for b. Now we have to solve this bracket first. X minus 1 bracket square. Here a square. A square. A is for x. That means we can write here x square minus 2 into a into b. That means minus 2 into a is what? X. Into b is what? 1. Okay. Plus b square. That means plus b is equal to minus 1. That means here minus 1 bracket square is equal to twice x plus 3. Understand? Now see, therefore x square minus twice x into 1, twice x plus. Now square of negative numbers, they are positive. That means square of minus 1 is plus 1 is equal to twice x plus 3. Understand? Now see students, this x square is write down as it is. Okay, now all the terms at right side they have been transferred toward left side, then their sign should be changed. Understand? That means here we can write down twice x plus 1. This is write down as it is. Plus twice x, it becomes minus twice x. Plus 3, when goes towards left side, it becomes minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore x square. Now see, minus twice x minus twice x. See, minus twice x minus twice x plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore we can write here x square. Now see, minus 2x minus 2s, minus minus, it becomes plus, but the sign is minus. That means here we can write down minus 4x. Okay. Now see, plus minus, it becomes minus. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. See, I can tell again x square. Minus 2x minus 2x minus minus, that means addition is done here, but the sign is minus. Minus 2x, it becomes minus 4x. And plus 1 minus 3. Plus minus, that means which process do here? Subtraction. Okay. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And plus minus, therefore the sign is minus. Here we can write down 0. We get the quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to write down the values of A, B and C. A is equal to what? 1. B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to what? Minus 2. Understand, student? See, in this topic we are seeing the general form of quadratic equation and how we can search the values of A, B and C. Thank you.